Check it out, guys. I gotta talk quiet. It's night. It's late. Can't piss off the boy. He's the only one willing to work around this joint. I'm retired. I don't make enough money to pay for shit. I was just sitting there laughing, man. I was thinking about the story I told about maintaining the ventilators at Hurley, and my little episode, my little hijinks with Dad and the butter pecan ice cream. I started thinking about the service schools, and then I started thinking about maybe I should hit my autofocus button. I started thinking about service schools, man. The Bear 5 ventilator school was in Riverside, California. That was a good time, man. That was fun. The Puritan Bennett 7200 school was in Oak Brook, Illinois. And at a fancy conference place, and delicious food. And there were a lot of technicians there. And I showed up the first morning and took a seat. And about 2/3 of those biomeds were in suits and ties. The others were all nice and dapper looking. And there's old Blowzo in his Detroit Tigers t-shirt. At least my jeans were clean and my shoes looked nice. Why can't this focus? And I looked around me and thought, oh my God. I thought, hey man, you jacknuts need to go home, man, and go back to school. Find yourself a career that you're qualified to do. You pretty boy, go home. And in the breaks, at break time, oh, how they love to politic and network. It's like, man, you pretty boy, you better go home before you kill people. Oh, end of story. A little bit of honesty with Blowzo at night. I better shut up now before I piss the boy off. 73.